name is Adriana Halavati, and I'm an assistant professor of medicine and cancer biology at the Vanderbilt University Medical Center and Vanderbilt Ingram Cancer Center in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm both an epidemiologist and a molecular biologist by training, which is a special blend in that I'm trained in both the laboratory setting to conduct research as well as in the dry lab setting here. So our study that explored differences in genomic features of early onset colorectal cancer by race and ethnicity uniquely leveraged the AACR Project GENIE consortium data, which includes data from patients diagnosed with colorectal cancer between the ages of 18 to 89 at cancer sequencing. GENIE data is really the unique resource that merges clinical grade targeted sequencing data from individuals across institutions worldwide together with demographic and clinical data overall that would allow us to uniquely explore a question like this and have sufficient cases to be able to have sufficient statistical power for the study. Essentially, AACR Project GENIE allows us to do something that we wouldn't be able to do at individual institutions at a much greater level. Our key findings are that there are differences in molecular features for early onset colorectal cancer by race and ethnicity. But this really provides us with unique clues into what biological mechanisms may be underlying early onset colorectal cancer disparities by race. So this research study is really what we call proof of principle. It's first of its kind in that we're the first to demonstrate differences in molecular features among patients diagnosed with early onset colorectal cancer by race and ethnicity. However, this warrants additional validation in another independent data set to confirm our initial findings. My future work in the laboratory setting will involve obtaining blood samples, leveraging tissue specimen, and also creating cell lines from young patients diagnosed with colorectal cancer. Research at the laboratory setting, or at the bench, literally, is really intriguing given that it allows you to take a magic school bus approach. I just always use that term, right? I take a magic school bus approach. You jump from taking findings at the society level, and then you're really jumping into what's going on in a diverse population of cells or just at the cellular level. So my research is really important in the context of a precision medicine approach because ultimately we're looking at individual patients diagnosed with colorectal cancer and trying to discern what makes the tumor in one individual or one population subgroup unique from others. And by doing this and understanding the differences that these diverse populations present with, we're able to tailor future therapeutic targets and future prevention strategies for specific population subgroups.
It's really important to remember that this is one piece of the puzzle. There are differences in community health behaviors, implicit bias, chronic stress due to systemic racism that can contribute to disparities.
As an early career investigator, the opportunity to be able to present my research at the American Association for Cancer Research annual meeting is unprecedented in nature. The opportunity to stand on a national and international platform with the AACR as a leader in the field of oncology research really is a one-of-a-kind opportunity to really showcase the work that my team is doing and really forge new collaborations as you're able to discuss these findings with investigators all across the field.